Hi everyone, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. If you're with me on my last video, I did a Dutch pour, kind of with a bit of a twist, and then a tilt at the end with a black flooding. And today I am going to do the white one. Same colors that I used in that one, which is Pacific Paint by Acrylic. I also have Glorious Gold Metallic by DecoArt. I have Ice Blue Metallic by DecoArt, and I have Peacock Pearl by DecoArt, and the white is a Flow Acrylic Artist Loft. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the lines. So this is my second ever Dutch pour. And I don't really put the paint over top of it before I blow it out, and I don't know if that is right or that is wrong. I do put it around it, but so let's just see how this goes. I really do love the shimmer of DecoArt's metallics. I think they look really nice. Okay, so I'll leave that there. Alright, and then just a little bit more gold. And then I did up here another little blowout. So let's see how this is going to go. Last time all of the paints that I had to the side fell down because of the blow dryer. It was not expecting it. So I'm just going to move them out of the way so they can go ahead and, oh, I do need the white. So let me put some more white around it, and then I'll go ahead. So, okay. Okay. Now I'm going to get the air bubbles out with the heat gun. I know they say don't use a heat gun, but I have it. And it's just what I'm going to use right now. Because my torch is not that powerful. And if I just watch myself, I hear this is just fine. Okay. So let's go ahead and try and do some of the fun stuff. So I keep my hair dryer on, I'm going to try low again. Low did not work out for me very well last time, but let's try again. Here we go. No, you see the low doesn't push it as quickly as I would like, so I'm going to do it on high. And then I'm just going to blow this one in a little bit, and then back out. I'm just going to try and blow some of this paint off. Okay, so I am done. I am done with the hairdryer at least. I'm going to come in and see if I need to do any correcting, but so far, I'm really liking this piece. I am going to once more apply a little bit of the heat gun to it. I don't put any silicone in my stuff, so I don't usually have a whole lot of cells popping up, but I am seeing a few here now. So I use this quite lightly. do want to do is I do want to touch up some of these sides that did not get anything come off. Oh, that was perfect, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit more paint in here. Yeah. I don't really want to touch anything when it comes to the canvas, because a lot of the drips have already happened, and they've happened with you know, I'm going to leave that. Let me come around to your side and see how that's going. Actually, that side's actually pretty darn good, except for this one little corner here. Alright. Okay. So this time I'm not tilting it. I am not doing anything with it. I'm going to leave it as it is. And I will get back to you as soon as it dries with a dry picture of it. Thank you for watching. That was awesome. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Did you think that this turned out okay? Did you get a close-up, Jordan? Awesome. What do you think, Jordan? Did you like it?
I think it looks very nice.
Yeah? Awesome. Okay. All right. Well, please like and subscribe below. You can put the bell on if you want to see more videos as they come about. Normally, I try to get at least once a week. This week was twice because I had two things to do. I do have someone who's commissioned me to do a 24 by 36 piece. So I'm kind of excited about that. I want to, she's away on vacation now, lucky her, but I want to talk to her about what style she's most interested in. And that'll be fun. Like, does she want a Dutch pour? Does she want it to go through a strainer? I don't know. It will be fun to find out. Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Love the colors. You can see some of the cells popping up now. I think it looks fabulous. And I hope you have a good day. We will catch you next time.